Welcome to Tech Hub Academy, everyone. Today's topic is hypertext markup language, which is the foundation of every website you visit. Just like a building needs a strong foundation, every website starts with HTML before adding design or functionality. Let's dive in. Why learn HTML? HTML is the foundation of all websites. You can't build a site without it. Every web developer must know HTML before learning CSS or JavaScript. HTML helps you understand how the web works, how browsers read and display content. It's simple and beginner-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. HTML is the first language of the internet. Once you know HTML, learning CSS and JavaScript becomes much easier. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a markup language that uses tags and elements to define the structure of a web page. Hypertext means linking to other pages or websites. Markup language means it uses tags to define elements like text, images, and links. HTML tells the browser the structure of a web page. What is a heading, paragraph, image, or link? History of HTML. 1991. Tim Berners-Lee, a scientist at CERN, created the first version of HTML to share documents easily. 1995. HTML 2.0 was released. It became the first standard used by developers. 1997 to 1999, HTML 3.2 and HTML 4.01 were introduced, adding more features like tables and images. 2014, HTML5 became the modern standard, now supporting video, audio, and graphics without needing extra software. HTML has evolved to make web pages more multimedia rich. Before HTML5, adding videos or animations required tools like Flash, but now it's all built directly into HTML. HTML5 made the web faster, safer, and compatible with mobile devices. Common HTML tags. H1 to H6 tags, used for headings from biggest to smallest. P tag defines a paragraph or text. A tag creates hyperlinks to other pages or websites. IMG tag displays images on a page. Form tag collects user input like names, emails, or passwords. Table, TR, TD tags, used to create tables. You can combine tags to build a complete page. Headings, paragraphs, links, and images all work together. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to remember which tag to use. Importance of HTML. HTML creates the structure of all websites on the internet. It works with CSS, which is used for design, and JavaScript, which is used for interactivity, to build modern web applications. It's supported by all browsers, making it universal. Learning HTML is essential for anyone interested in web design or development. Advantages of HTML: easy to learn and use. You can start creating pages after a few lessons. Free and supported by all browsers, you don't need to buy software to use HTML. Lightweight and fast to load. HTML files are small and quick to display. Provides a strong foundation for learning web development. You can practice even without an internet connection. Disadvantages of HTML. HTML cannot create dynamic or interactive pages alone. It only handles structure. HTML needs CSS for designing and styling web pages. Websites made with only HTML look plain or unattractive. That's why modern developers use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript together. Updating a large HTML website manually can be time-consuming. Despite its limitations, HTML remains the core of web development. Everything else builds on top of it. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. If you have any question or want a point explained well, feel free to comment. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next lessons. Follow us on YouTube and TikTok for more tips and lessons. See you next time.